Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Dr. Linda. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a very effective and affordable way to build your referral network. So what we're using is Alignable, and I'm a firm believer in working smart and not hard. So the conventional way of us home care owners is to basically spend a lot of time driving around in our communities, visiting different nursing homes, putting up different flyers, and that is effective. But as we all know, that since COVID hit, a lot of facilities and a lot of places are being hesitant of letting people just walk in, and also another thing is that the decision makers that would that are the gatekeepers in these different places are probably have their hands tied up, that they're probably not around when we even might even visit. And mind you, we don't have time to just consistently keep um, going over to the same things over and over again. So that is why I'm so glad that we, came across Alignable, because it basically allows us to work smarter and get better results without putting in all the hard work and get subpar results. So this is their website. As you can see, the main goal of the platform is basically to build your network and hence help you to grow your home care business. It's very, very affordable. Disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate with Alignable. I'm not selling anything. I'm just a fellow home care owner just trying to share tips, because that's one of the questions I get asked a lot. How do I get more private pay clients? And obviously, the stronger your referral network is, the more clients you're going to get, plain and simple. And in order to have a strong referral network, you're going to have an effective way of streamlining everything to make sure that you get your business out there, to let your key decision owners, such as nursing homes or whatever your target audience is, to know that your business exists. So this is their website. They have a free plan, and they also have a $30 or $15 plan. So as you can see, the goal is to help you get more referrals, increase visibility, and things like that. So I will say this. So as you can see that this is their website, and we've been using this for, I would say, up to 2 weeks now. We've gotten great results in the little amount of time that we have been using it. So when it comes to Alignable, I've looked up a lot of videos, on YouTube, and also in Facebook groups when it comes to people just asking questions how to get more private pay patients. And I've just been very surprised that no one has even been able to at least think outside the box or even really share tips. So when it comes to Alignable, this is basically, let's think about Alignable as though in LinkedIn, your Google My Business page, and Facebook had a baby. It just gives you that vibe where it's basically networking, but networking more effectively, and also more so for when people come on the platform, they're really there to really, really just get themselves out there and also build their business. So I'm going to give you a back end of my account. As you can see, I'm still working on building it, but you can see that this is my profile. My computer is going slow, but as you can see, is my profile. Like I said, it has so many aspects to it. It has a chat. This obviously to me gives me LinkedIn, Facebook vibes. You can see here that it also has a dashboard where we've been on the platform for like less than a month, where you're able to provide your profile. And what I really like is that when you're building out your profile, it basically the platform asks you, who do you want us to show your profile to? Who do you want us to recommend to other people? Who do you want to build stronger referrals with? And as you can see, I've already put social workers. I want to connect with caregivers, nursing home, different people, and that has been helping Alignable to really bring my business in front of my potential target audience. And also, we can see also here is that in just this little amount of time, I'm able to get in front of my key decision makers, such as someone like this. You can see here that this person is my network, and you can see here that this is a decision maker for Liberty Man Extended Care in my target area. There's no way, guys, ever in a million years I might be able to sit there and really have time to really connect with this wonderful person in real life, because of probably their schedules are very, very busy and things like that. But this platform allows me and and others to really network in a way that's very convenient. And if one thing we've learned about COVID, and we really, the businesses that are looking for innovative way to network, to build relationships, are the ones that are really killing it. As you can see here, that the gentleman, Mr. He's been able to sit there and also provide a recommendation to my business. So I really, really like Alignable because it really helps you to sit there and just refer each other's businesses. As you can see, that this is a recommendation that was left for our business. Elangelo will help you obtaining home care givers for those in need. As you can see, that it's such a nice compliment here. And we're here, the main purpose of this platform is to basically help business owners to network, to build our relationship. And you can see here that you can also message back and forth. And you can also see that here, that in Mr. Michael, that even just this what couple last week, that was able to reach out, and we're able to go back and forth. There's no way, guys, like I said before, that we would be able to sit there and start building this relationship and this networking with each other, because his schedule is probably going to be busy, my schedule is going to be busy. But you can see here that he reached out and I reached back out with basically the value proposition that our company is basically able to provide to his company. And our company in You Change Home Care is basically to make sure that we provide affordable peace of mind by making sure that whatever facilities we serve, our goal is to basically make the facility shine by providing exceptional services. So as you can see here, that it's just like the LinkedIn, where connect with them, you can start charting with them and things like that. So that's what we are also working on. So now, guys, instead of me spending hours and hours driving around to maybe like get like a no one's available or anything like that, I can just, from the comfort of my home and the comfort of my office, start building networks. As you can see here, there's networking events you can join. There are groups, there are communities. It's really, really amazing to me that, like, it's literally networking on steroids. Because you can see here that I also joined in a assistant facility group, where I can also network with other assistant facility decision makers, by providing valuable content to them. And you can see here that this has over 21,000 people. So these are not small numbers. These, you can sit there and promote your business, because that's what the platform really is for. LinkedIn is more so for like socializing and things like that, and also promoting your business. But this is like the main reason why it was created, is to really sit there and to help us promote our business and help us network, especially for busy business owners. We don't have time to sit there and, when you're chasing patients and you're managing your home care, you really don't have time to sit there and really, do the one-on-ones and really drive around and do all that stuff. I mean, more kudos to the people that have all the time to do that. But I am a firm believer that it's all about working smart and not hard. If that's the case, the people that have the hardest job in the world would be the most paid. As we can see, that's not the case. So, I really, really like it. I just thought I'd share my feedback. We've only been using this for 2 weeks, and we're already getting results. You can join different groups, and also, you can also advertise in the groups. Uh, and you can also sit there and like make posts and different things like that about your business. And it's really getting like, I'm still working on my posts. You can promote your services on here and let people know that you know what you provide. So the platform has a lot of members in different cities, different states, so you can know that your business is going to be seen. So I just thought I'd share this in my Facebook group, Home Care Champs. That's one of the number one questions that a lot of people, I would say, the number one question I get asked is basically about the challenges that people are having with their recruitment. The number two is also the challenges that they're having with, finding referral networks and getting more private pay patients, clients. So I just thought that, hey, home care is a very, very difficult business. It's not like a get rich quick soon business. It's really for people that are really compassionate about serving. And my goal is to basically share tips, my failures, my wins, to help you become more successful in your business. As you can see here, you can post events, you can basically promote, have your services promoted. And what I like about this is that it gives me pre-Facebook vibes before Facebook just became completely everything about being monetized. That if I were to post my services on here, at least I know that the people that are going to be seeing this are, the people I've already told Alignable to show my business to. So when I start getting my posts, I know that my posts are going to be being targeted to social workers, long-term care, accident lawyers, postpartum care, nursing homes, all those different things. Those are the people that are going to be seeing my posts. As you can see, they've already Alignable goes out based on the tags that you've given it to find a deal partners for you. So just thought I'd share this. If you want more helpful tips, go ahead and like, share, subscribe to the video, and also join our Facebook group. My goal is to sit there and to really sit there and help us all to work together to really win in growing our home care business, so that way we can really be a beacon of hope in whatever community that you serve. Once again, this is Dr. Linda. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tip was very helpful. I know the alternative that people have is actually Facebook ads, YouTube, also Google is also a good place. Google My Business page. I will also say, if you're it all depends on your strategy. I always tell everybody, make sure you have your roadmap, your marketing strategy in place, so that way you can know what works best for your business. Since Google My Business is free, I would also have that in your back pocket, in my back pocket. And this is also very affordable. I think they have like a free plan, a $15 plan, and a premium plan. I'm on the premium plan. That only costs me $30 a month. So yeah, I just thought I'd share my tips and see what's working. I hope this works for you too. If you wanted to get more information or you need more assistance in setting up your account or any other things like that, go ahead and join our Facebook group and reach out. Thank you and have a good day.